it's Natty. I just wanted to hop on and open my FabFitFun Winter box. You can see Luna right there making an appearance. But I wanted to dig into this, and so I figured I would record. I'm sorry, Loonies. I would record an unboxing if Luna will allow it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's the winter box. And of course it is taped. And I might need to find something to cut it open with. Hold on. Let me get some scissors real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and cut that tape. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Usually lots of paper and then the magazine goes on top. As per usual, I don't read this until the very end because it tells you what's in it. And I kind of like the surprise, except for those that I have customized. We got some fun stickers in here. And then a $15 off for your first box. I have yet to get anybody to take me up on that offer. So unfortunately, those kind of go to waste. So let's dig in. So coupons. We have a coupon for wine. We have HelloFresh, and we have HBO Max. So we'll set those aside. And then the first thing, and this one I did customize, but this is the Briojo Curl Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream. And I've been wanting to try this, so I was able to customize that. I actually have dirty hair today, so I will probably try this today. So we have that. And then, ooh, what's this? Then this is the PMD Clean Face Cleansing Brush. I don't really use a whole lot of like brushes for my face. I used to, but then I got lazy. So I think I'll give this a try and see how I like it. Cool. Then we have this Espa. I think that's how you say it. Natural Beauty Inner Calm Exfoliating Body Polish. This is perfect for winter. My skin gets really, really dry. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see. Oh, it's closed. So let's open it up. I love to see how things smell. I'm all about the smells. Ooh, minty. I like that. So it smells good. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. So we'll set that aside. What are you? Ooh, we have like slippers. I've been wanting slippers. My slippers broke. Funny enough, I got the last pair of slippers from a FabFitFun box. So we have these. They're animal print. They feel nice and comfy, so that's exciting. There's a few more things in here. So these earrings, Kate Spade earrings. I believe these are studs, if I remember correctly. Oh my goodness, I can't open the little bag. So these look like this. Ooh, they're so pretty. So you got the like crystal ones and then the pearl looking ones. These are really pretty. I am excited to wear these. Okay, so we got that. And then, funny enough, I have already gotten one of these, so this one will go to someone else. But yeah, I have one of these already, so this is like a file for your feet, so if you get really dry feet, you get a file. So I will set that aside because that will go to somebody else. And then the last thing, I believe is the last thing, are these utensils. So that's exciting. I think these are gray, like wooden, but the piece is gray. Yeah. So that'll be exciting to kind of switch out some of the ones we have. But yeah, I love this one. I really do. I think there's a lot of good stuff in here, and I can't wait to try everything out. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys get a FabFitFun, let me know what you got down below. Bye.